woman accused of posing as attorneys, even judges in Las Vegas, appears in court. We were the only news organization there as the judge expressed her disgust. 8 News Now investigator Vanessa Murphy also sitting down with one of the alleged victims.
She's a scammer. She's a liar.
Ophelia Markarian is one of several alleged victims in the legal community. Senia Paulson, also known as Senia Del Pozo, is accused of impersonating. Markarian is a Las Vegas attorney, handling multiple areas, including family law. She says Paulson used her identity for a divorce case and created fake divorce documents for a client who was getting ready to remarry.
That marriage would have been void. It would not be legit, since he is still married to his ex-wife.
Paulson is accused of collecting retainers through Venmo and Zelle, forging signatures of judges, notarizing documents without being a notary, and not only creating fake divorce documents, but also other paperwork, including for an adoption. Metro Police say she stole money from an employer, took a nearly $16,000 loan from a coworker she never intended on paying back, and while she's worked in Las Vegas law offices for years, she was never a licensed attorney. After about a 6-month investigation, Paulson was arrested Tuesday. The following morning, as she appears in court here, bail could have been set.
Did you get a copy of the complaint?
But Judge Amy Cellini recuses herself from the case.
There's a lot of cases that come before me that I find to be offensive and I get past it. But there's somebody that she references in this case that was a colleague of mine and uses that colleague's death as an excuse for a continuance to commit fraud upon another person, and I can't get past it. So I'm recusing off your case.
She's referencing Judge Melanie Tobiasen, who died by suicide. Police say Paulson texted a client. The reason for a delay in paperwork was the late judge's death. Paulson's scheduled to be back in court Thursday morning for the 17 charges she faces.
I'm glad that she gets to sit in jail for a little bit more before she gets bailed out.
Markarian also says she fixed the divorce case pro bono, so the client Paulson is accused of scamming by using her identity could move on with his life. Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.
Metro Police say there could be more victims. If you have any information, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers. That number on your screen, 702-385-5555. And remember, you can submit those tips anonymously.